Children's, good afternoon everyone. So 4th class children's, everyone, good afternoon. So 4th class children's, everyone, good afternoon to everyone. So how are you 4th class children's? Everyone are fine. So I hope everyone are fine and you are listening everyone everyone clearly, and you are keeping in your mind, not you are delaying. So you are not taking off from your mind. You are reading, and whatever I am telling you are doing that. Yes or no? Yes. So today, so we have left over some grammar part in the 16th lesson, children. That is 4th class. 16th lesson, that is Mysore, the city of palace. The city of palaces. So this is the lesson, children. So we have completed this lesson as well as grammar part we have started, that is homophones, homophonies. So grammar part, so I have completed here active homonyms, that is match homonyms. So look at the following. Next we went to the active part, active and passive voice. So active voices are what I told for you. Active voice, passive voice means what? So here Hari plays piano. Piano is played by Hari. So here he given just like Hari plays. He plays. He got a played. So this is a passive voice. So next complete the conversation. We are moving to the bit number 1. Write down in your textbooks. Page number, I am mentioning here 77, 4th class children. Complete the conversation. It is that. The conversation he is asking to complete. So first one is A. I am tired. So E conversation is there. So you have to write the answer here. I am tired. So here conversation is there. So we have to write in 2 ways. So can I rest for some time? A1 is. Okay. ఇక్కడ కన్వర్జేషన్ అన్నారు కాబట్టి కన్వర్జేషన్ రూపంలోనే మనం ఇక్కడ రెడీ చేద్దాం. సో క్యాన్ ఐ రెస్ట్. కన్వర్జేషన్ అంటే మనం మా సంభాషణ. ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్, కొంతసేపు. ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్, ఈజ్ వాట్ ఈస్ టెడ్, ఐ ఆమ్ టైర్డ్ ఈజ్ టెలింగ్. ఎస్. కెన్ ఐ రెస్ట్ ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్. బి ఈజ్ హియర్ ష్యూర్ ఈ గివెన్. B1 ష్యూర్. Again A1, I am thirsty. So listen, it is a conversation. So sure, please do this, do so. Please do so. I am thirsty. Nenu chala thirsty. So again I am cold. Next here I am cold is there. Sure, I am cold. It is not thirsty. Sure, A1 is I am cold. Ante he is cold. So what is conversation? Is there? Is there anything warm to drink? Okay, vechaga to drink. B, again he is telling sure. Again A1 is I am thirsty. So sure, there is something, some hot tea in the flask. So this is the conversation. I will tell after. I am thirsty. Okay, here he is very thirsty. Can I have a glass of water? Here we are keeping in the conversation. See, B again. Shh. Of course. Here he is telling B1 below. Sure, I am thirsty. Tarvata again B given down. So I am mentioning B also for you. Oh, of course. Do you want it ice cold? So here till here the conversation has been completed. Be bit. Okay, I am bored nunchi again I will write for you. I am bored. So this is a conversation. So next I am bored I will start. Okay. I am bored. A1 is again. I am bored. Bore ga undi. Shall we go? Shall we go out for a walk? Okay, here the conversation. B. Again B1. That's good. That's a good idea. I too. I am feeling bored. So this is the B1. Next again A. It is dark. A1. It's dark in here. So it is dark here. Next conversation. I think we need to get a torch light. Be just a minute. Just a minute. I shall bring one. So this is the conversation till page number 77. Now moving to the 78 we will see. Okay. Just a minute here completed. I am hot. I am hot here given. Next starving. So 2 I will write here. So next moving to the here. I am hot again bit number A. I am hot. Do you mind if I switch on the AC? Switch on the AC. B. Not at all. Please go ahead. Next, that is again a conversation. I am starving. Is there anything in the fridge? Sure. You may find some food in it. So this is the conversation between here. He given some. For that we have chosen and wrote the conversation. Okay. I am tired. Sure, I am cold. Sure, I am thirsty. I am bored. It is dark here. I am hot. I am starving. So here we have been wrote this one. Next comprehension. So read here, children. We have to read your comprehension and write the questions. Who are the main character in this story? You read this comprehension and complete the answers. Very easy. Okay. Comprehension is very easy. So next I will start a 5th bit. So 4th bit, from 4th bit I will start for you. Okay. Comprehension lo 3 questions unnai. Draw the lining matching is telling. From that I will do it. Okay. So draw the lines and match the words, the story to its mean. Hey. So here we are going to match the words. Here matching. Easy. From the story it means. First one is, just we have to write here meanings. First I will write the 1, 2, 3, 4. Dashed. Screaming. Spider. Peeking. So these are the A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we will move to the A, B, C, D. So we have to match this. Looking. Insect with 8 legs. Ealing. Ran. So these are the words we have to match. First one is dash, that is D, run. So it is ran. So second one is C, it is ealing, screaming. Spider, it is has B, insect, 8 legs. Peeking, looking. So this is the matching the following we have been completed. Next moving to the fifth. Use a word from the box to complete each sentences. So this is the bit number 5. Page number 79. This is a bit number 5. Spider screaming, same, dash, peeking. Again he given Sam dash across the playground. There is a grey dash climbing on the wall. A kitten was dashed at me from a hole in the fence. My baby brother was dashed loudly because he was hungry. Okay, here we have to write dash. So first one is dash. Second one is spider. Third one is peeking. Peeking, it is. D1 is screaming. So these are the 4. Once again I leave. Sam dashed across the playground. There is a grey spider on the wall. A kitten peeking at me from the hole in the fence. My baby brother screaming loudly because he was very hungry. Okay, he was shouting very hungry. So next, causes and effects. Here it is a very big causes and effect. So it is a, I will write just numbers here. Just I will write the H, G, like that ABCD is there. So with the help of that only I will write. You have to write here H in the dashes. ఈ యొక్క డాషెస్లో నేను ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి 10 ఉన్నాయి. 10 ఫస్ట్ మీకు 15 ఉన్నాయి. 15లో ఏం రాయాలో జస్ట్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ ద alphabets, small ABC. So from 1 to I will write down bit number 6, causes and effects. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 15 ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. So for that only I will write the alphabets రాస్తాను. Just you have to write on your textbook, childrens. So see and write down. So you are not small kids. So just I will write the first one is H, O, I, M, J, F, C, D, B, K, G, A, E, L, N. So these are the answers he given here to write. So first one is H. So H ekkadundi ikkada. Mom gave her a bottle. Here mom gave her a bottle. Baby Lisa began to cry So mom gave here, like that you have to write here and answer the following question. So moving to the last bit, we are write an effect for each of the given causes. The children were bored. All the frogs jumped high. Ram did not study. Ram did not study. Our house is old. Here effects ni raimantunnaru. Here you have to write effects. So here we will write effects here. So this one you write down in your textbooks and once read off. This is the last bit, children. 7th bit. So the children were bored. Causes effect రాయమని చెప్తున్నారు. So here first one is they decided to go out for a walk. This is the, here he given the effects and we have, so here an effect for each of the given causes. Causes he given, we have to write effects. So here the children were bored. Second one is a few got out of the well. Third one is he failed in the class test. So write down in your textbooks this all. So fourth one is, so 15 are there. We are planning to buy, we are planning to buy a new house. So this is the fourth one. Fifth one, we took. So we took some warm clothes. So once this 5 I will explain in the textbook. First one is the children were bored, so they decided to go out for a walk. Causes. Here effects, causes. Next, second one, all frogs jumped high. A few got out of the well. Bavilo nunchi. Third one, Ram did not study. He failed in the class test. Fourth one, our house is old. We are planning to buy a new house. Fifth one, it was cold on Thursday. We took some warm clothes. Okay, 5. Next, 5 again I will explain you. This 5 you write down in your textbook. Again 5 I will write. There are 15. So 5 I have divided. I am writing in the textbook board. Next, 6th one is we looked out through the window. So 7th one is children always gathered around her. So 8th one, mother searched for her in all rooms, all the rooms. 9th one, I asked my brother to help. The 10th one is children waited for him. So again I will explain you on the 6th too. 6th one, we heard the parade. So we looked out through the window. Next, grandma told a funny joke. Children always gather around her. 8th one, our cat's tiny sat in the sun. Mother seek for her in all the rooms. My homework was hard. I asked my brother to help. 10th one, their dad was late. Children waited for him. So these are the 10. Again, one more 5 I will write on the blackboard. So from 11, the class became silent. The class became silent. The 12th one is, there was a strange animal in the locality. 13th one, they got into a nearby restaurant. 14th one, the police were called. So these are the causes and effects. So again I will explain you once again. 14 are there. The teacher was yelling. The class became silent. When the teacher is yelling, the class has become silent. 5 dogs were barking. There were the strange animal in the locality. So here the strange animal, so the frog is barking. Everyone hungry. They got into a nearby restaurants. 2 cars crashed. The police were called. So this is the causes and effects we have been completed, children. So it is a over of the lesson. This is a completion of the lesson grammar part. So now here comprehension is there. You do it these 3 bits and do well. Okay, now I will leave my class, 4th class students. Thank you very much for listening my classes and do the work whatever I am giving in the blackboard.